the other day I had a conversation with a good friend of mine, and we were talking about dry cleaning. And I told him how much I spend a month on dry cleaning services, and he almost fell out of his chair. I'm gonna use my dry cleaners' names. I use Sudsies Cleaner in Miami, and they are fantastic, but they're not cheap. But they are the best. They are the very best. And they don't give me free dry cleaning. Believe me, like I said, I pay a fortune. But let me tell you why I'm willing to pay the most. You see, years before that, I would take my dry cleaning, I'd put it in a bag, I'd get in my car, I'd drive there, and I'd drop the clothes off. When I dropped it off, I waited 30 minutes, they took my order, and then I had to do the same process to go pick it up. I'd usually find some mistakes, I'd usually have to bring things back. Once in a while, they'd ruin a piece of clothes. But when I got to Sudsies, they come to my house, they pick it up. They give me the bags to pick it up. They bring everything back on a beautiful hanger, individually wrapped. They do everything perfect for me, and they bring it to me and they pick it up for me. Just that little bit of time is so valuable because I don't have to think about it. And I could give them 1 shirt or 100 shirts, it doesn't really matter. They'll do the service for me. And the point isn't just related to dry cleaning. You need to overspend your money on getting yourself services done that'll take care of things. The couple hours a month I have to spend between driving and picking up dry cleaning, whether it be 1 or 2 hours a month, could be used for things I love to do, could be used for things that make me money. Anything is more productive than sitting in Miami traffic dropping off clothes, so it's a wise decision. And you do get what you pay for. Because I use Sudsies and they're one of the best in the game, I know with them, everything's gonna be done right. I've never had a mistake. In addition to that, these guys give me a concierge, my dry cleaning, that'll tell me every single piece, if they found the stain, when it'll be delivered. They make my life easier. And I do this with so many services. And I'm very thankful to have guys like this to work with me because they make my life easier. One less thing to stress about. Now, if you're thinking you want to save money and do your own clothes, or you're thinking you want to go drive 10 miles to get a discount, you're ultimately going to pay in the long run. So don't be afraid to spend your money on good, wise investments like buying back your time.